ordered a new filming device for my cooking, and it is the Neewer brand. This is the C-stand. I got it from Amazon. It was $134. It's 100% metal, and it's very heavy, and I can do overhead filming. So I'm going to put this together and we're going to see how it works. Okay, I have these instructions, so I am going to see what I can do. So I don't know what this is. Okay, this thing is super heavy. I don't want to scratch up my floors, but this is the legs. Should be fairly easy to put together. So just insert the pipe, which is this. I'm going to tighten that up. I'll move the camera up in just a minute. That is it. I'm currently using just a regular old stand. So let me put the top on it. Okay, here is the last part. It's very easy to put together. Now I just have to figure out how to get my camera on it. So I don't see. I guess this will probably grip some kind of way. Doesn't seem like it does, but maybe one of these comes out and grips it. I don't know. They kind of move. Just doesn't seem right though, but maybe it is. It's gripping. Oh, okay. Well, I guess it is. I guess I was wrong. So you put that on there. And this will move so you can, I guess this is used as the weight. And then you put your camera here, and then you can slide your grip back and forth. Okay, makes sense. But I don't know how you hold your camera in. What you slide your camera on with, but I figured it out. I guess this piece is used for that. And no, because you would have to take that off. I guess you can still hook your camera into this piece and hold it tighter, I'm assuming, but this is the stand, and hook your camera on, and then you can tape overhead with your camera pointing down. So that was the objective of this. So, and it's heavy, so it won't tip over with your camera. And then you can adjust the height up to 10 feet. Yeah, see that in the camera, but it goes up to 10 feet. So yeah, that is my new filming device. So I should have better videos with better visuals of my videos from overhead shots. So that is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I hope that you like how my new videos turn out. So let me know next time you see one if you like the new way that I film. So thank you guys for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed the videos. Happy holidays, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye.